If you want to hard reset your Nothing phone for A or for a Pro by using recovery mode, then first of all we need to restart our phone. So we can use the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then you want to tap on the restart button. You will see the restarting text, and once it disappears, press and hold volume down button. So now we have restarting, and then press and hold volume down, and just keep holding this button until you open the bootloader. So let's just wait. There we go. Now once we have this menu over here, we can navigate in this menu by using volume buttons, and we need to make sure that the recovery mode text is visible at the top. So once you have the recovery mode selected, you want to press power button in order to confirm your choice. The phone is going to restart, and soon we should see the no command screen. There we go. So once you see that, you will have to press and hold the power button, and then once you start holding the power button, press volume up. So press and hold power, and then press volume up, and there we go. Now we are in the Android recovery. Here, just like in the bootloader, we navigate by using volume buttons, of course. So we should be able to find the wipe data / factory reset option. Once you have that option selected, you want to just confirm by using the power button, and then here we need to confirm by choosing factory data reset. If needed, go through additional steps that might be displayed on your phone, and you should be able to factory reset your phone just like that. In case you go back to this main menu of recovery mode, you want to make sure that reboot system now is selected, so usually it is this first option, and you just confirm by pressing the power button. So this will restart your phone and go back into the normal mode, and you will begin the initial configuration again. Leave a like and subscribe.